Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can apply the superscript to texts you insert into your notes on Evernote. So let us dive into this. Head over to your note on Evernote, and there are two ways how you can do this, guys. Option number one would be to simply highlight the text here in your text field in your note and to use that text formatting feature here called Superscript. Click into it, and after that, that is going to be converted into a superscript. So let me add an example text here. Well, that's maybe not the best example. Let us go with this line here. So if I add a 2 here, highlight the 2, and apply the superscript, it will become a superscript. That's option number one. Option number two would be to simply skip to the next line and enter the command / and then you will see the sub as well as superscript option below, and simply enter your text that would be included in your superscript. That's it. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.